Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a voiceover commentary for this video or just use the audio that I'm using now to talk, because as you can hear, kind of, my room isn't, or office is not really sound treated or anything like that. Leave a comment down below if you want a office tour / room tour. And yeah, if you've been rocking me for a while, my old room is now an office. So, because my sister moved out and all that stuff. So let's get into the video. Now, I bought some earbuds, earphones, whatever you want to call them, because well, I used some old Sony ones. I'm sticking with Sony to the gym, and I seen the new ones. Well, these aren't really new, you guys. If you know, you know, these came out like a year, maybe 2 years ago, but still freaking amazing. I've had these for about 3 to 4 years now, maybe longer, maybe shorter, I don't know. But I've had these for a while, and I use this at the gym all the time. Very, what's it called? Very just, you know, it works well. It works well. But here's the thing. I got these a while ago. These are new. And look how small they are in the picture. These are like the WF, what does it say? WF SP800N. I'm sorry. Yeah, WF SP800N. This is how they look. Now, these are massive, like just bulging out my ear. And then these are like touch sensitive buttons, whatever, but they're really sensitive. So if you put your hoodie on, it'll stop your music. It'll like interrupt your music. There's a sensor to show that you have it in your ear, the charging thing, and this little thing that goes around so it doesn't fall out your ear. Very sporty. It worked fine. Battery life is really good on that. Sometimes the audio would cut out, but I'm not sure if that's just Bluetooth interference or any of that. So I got these. Now, with the product being a year or 2 years old, you could probably find this for like $50 off, $25 off at Best Buy or Amazon or something like that. So let's go over the features real quick. 360 reality audio, high-res audio, 6 hours. And wait, what does it say? 6 hours to 14 hours. Okay. Noise canceling. Linkbuds S in black. So, and it works with iPhone, iPod, Alexa built in, okay Google, whatever. So let's open it real quick. So this is like the casing for it, and the box is like very solid. See, it opens like a like a jewelry box. It feels very solid. There's like almost like a little magnet, but it's not. It's just like perfectly fitted. And you open it, it shows like the app you need to download and set it up. Wait, where the hell are the earbuds? What the heck? I'm just kidding, guys. It's right here. I've used it. I've used it, and I left the charger. It's like a small USB-A to USB-C charger. I left it in my car because I was charging in my car. As soon as I got it, I opened it. I just couldn't wait. I wanted to try it out. And I love how it's like a little like shelf here. Like, oh, here's your charger. Here's the extra ear tips, which I don't need because I always the medium tips always fit me so well. So straight out of the box, these fit me really well. But they do have super small, and large. I don't think I'll be needing those, but we'll see. What else? Oh, here it is. Let's see here. Just little booklets, limited 1 year factory warranty, a free trial, 360 reality audio thing, free trial thing, and oh my god, I should just take everything out. So 1 year limited warranty, and basically the instructions on how to use it, how to take care of it, blah blah blah. Now they do say put that in there, put it in, look, little box, super cool. They do say the case is not water resistant, you guys, so this will blow up in your pocket. But the earbuds are water resistant, so you're fine. Just don't get the case wet. Don't be putting it in, you know, your shower and stuff and throwing it in the pond or the pool, stuff like that. Now I just want to do a quick comparison real quick. This is how they look. Come in different colors. I got the black because why not? They're so tiny. Look at compared to my old earbuds for the gym. What? That's almost like half the size, if not like 3/4. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. And I put these into my ear and I was like, whoa, these sit so flush in my ear. I feel like James Bond or something, or a security guard. Yes, we got them right here. Like, oh my God. They're so freaking tiny. They sit super flush. I look like such a dweeb with these sticking out my ear at the gym. I feel like, oh, I'm like, everyone has these little AirPods, blah, blah, blah. I didn't want AirPods, even though I have an iPhone. I'm recording with the iPhone right now. But I don't want AirPods. I know there's better options, cheaper options. My friend got this for me at a discount. So I picked these up for $145. That's including tax and all that stuff. So, but it was on sale for like $150, $155. But then with tax and everything, it's gonna come out to like $160, $165 at Best Buy. But yeah, I think Amazon has it on sale as well. You know, Best Buy has like the price match stuff. So I'll leave a link for the Amazon product link here for these. And let's just go over some of the features. So there's the USB-C, and that's how you charge it, blah, blah, blah. It's super compact. Even the case is super compact, you guys. Look at that. I haven't used it for a full day. I used it for a couple hours. Here's what I can say about the audio compared to my old ones. My old ones were super bass heavy. They did sound good. I mean, they're Sony's, obviously. And they did last the test of time. These also have bass, but I wouldn't say not as much, where it's like very like, it's like a little bit too much. But you can always adjust the EQ settings on the app. I already had the app, so it was really easy to connect these, by the way, to my phone. The audio with these are very balanced, I'd say. A good word for them is balance. It sounds balanced. It's not too sharp with the vocals and stuff like that. It's just very like mid. It's very you know, it's not gonna be like Bose level quality, but these will get the job done. You will still love your music. I'm a little bit of an audiophile, a little bit, because, you know, I've tried, you know, if you see my other videos, these are like open bag $260 headphones, the Bear Diamond DT900 Pro X. And then I've tried IEMs, as you can see on my channel, and other earbuds. I tried my sister's AirPods Max. I've tried very high quality headphones and expensive headphones and cheap headphones. These are not that bad. I would say they're definitely better than these, sound quality wise and all that, and everything wise. It's smaller, compact, fits great, sticks in my ear, and the sound quality sounds really good. You can change the EQs, blah blah blah. You can play with the balance, and what I love about the app is I don't really know how to fix like the EQ settings, because they have like a whole thing where you can change the mids, like at -1.5, blah blah. They have a thing on the app where you can choose while you're listening to the song which sounds better, and then they give like these colored dots, and you can say number 5 sounds better, and then it'll go to another one. Oh, how does this sound? And then you can switch between the dots and listen to the music while you're trying to figure out which sounds better, and you're like, oh, maybe number 2. And then I was like, okay, your custom EQ is complete. So it's very beginner friendly, you guys, very beginner friendly, which I really like, because I don't want to go through like every little section, adjusting it. Now you guys are probably wondering, get to the noise canceling, get to the ANC. The noise canceling is ridiculous. It is so good. My friend was driving my car while I was like playing around with these, and so I had an active noise canceling on. And then they had the ambient sound canceling out. So the ambient sound is like, it cancels out any sound that you might be around, and it has like a little scale. So if you're like outdoors, blah, 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 it'll like raise it so you don't hear much of the outside, and then you can lower it to hear more of the outside. And I was on the freeway and I put these in. I'm like, I couldn't hear anything. I couldn't hear my friend talk next to me, like nothing, while I had music playing. So in that sense, I was like, oh yeah, I can't wait to use these for the gym, because the gym can be pretty loud with all the weights and the music in the background. And I'm just really excited to use these at the gym. Comment down below what else, if you have any questions, honestly. Comment below if you have any questions. These are like just great, I would say, like beginner to intermediate people out there for audio stuff. So if you don't have anything like this, or if you're still rocking wired earphones, you know, what are you doing? This is a great start to like getting into the wireless earbuds market. They just fit amazing. Like I said, it looks like an accessory in your ear, not like a hearing aid, but definitely much cleaner than one. And the material is so soft, so smooth. It's like the same material as the case. Really nice. That's about it. I'm probably gonna do a video on this because I just built this. It's my first Gundam, and let me show you guys real quick. I just built this. You guys are probably seeing this in the background. I just built this. It looks so sick on my desk. This is a 1/100 scale Gundam, and I'm gonna probably do a video on this next. And it took me like almost 2 days to finish. So tune in for that if you want to. Tune in for more tech if you want to. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. I appreciate all the new subs, and I appreciate all your comments. Sometimes if you post a comment, the first comment, I'll see it because I'll get a notification. But if you reply to the same comment thread, I won't get a notification for it. I have to manually go into the video, the comment section, blah, blah, blah. So bear with me, and I'll be sure to answer your questions and stuff like that, and help each other out in the comments. I see a lot of you guys helping each other out in the comments, so I think we're building a pretty cool and chill and worthwhile community here on the CanCYT channel. So very blessed for that. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.